Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I will be talking about how to speak more polite and diplomatic in English. This is what today's lesson is about. Diplomatic English is all about how you can sound more polite and diplomatic in English. I mean sweet in English. So sometimes we use lots of negative words or informal words in our language, and these are the words that doesn't sweet our language. So instead of saying like that's a bad idea or I had this girl or leave me alone, so today we will learn how we can rephrase such words in order to sound more polite and diplomatic. This is what today's lesson is about. As always, if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section below. So the first sentence that we have on the list is that's a bad idea. Whenever you find yourself in a friend circle or maybe somewhere else, we end up saying that's a bad idea, or when we do not like something, we end up saying that's a bad idea. So instead of saying that's a bad idea, the better replacement of this phrase would be this could be a better thought of, or this could have been better. You can say so. The second phrase that we have on the list is come here. It sounds like an imperative. It sounds like you're ordering someone to come here. So instead of saying come here, you can say so, could you be here please? The better replacement of this phrase. The third phrase that we have on the list is like, imagine that you were going to a mall and you want to shop there and you want to buy something for yourself, and imagine that there is a shirt and you like that shirt. Imagine there are two shirts and you like one and the other one you do not like. So you said to the shopkeeper that I do not like this shirt because I had this color. So instead of saying like I have used or here had is a very strong word and impolite word. It's not polite. So instead of saying I had this girl, you can say so, this could have been better. The better replacement of this phrase would be this could have been better, to sound more polite and most importantly very sweet. The fourth phrase that we have on the list is whenever you find yourself in a friend circle, or maybe whenever you get together with your friends on weekends. So sometime when some friends bother you or maybe tease you somewhere, so then we end up saying leave me alone. Like it sounds doesn't good. Like we use this phrase oftentimes in our day-to-day life, leave me alone, and I'm sure you must have heard this phrase. So instead of saying leave me alone, the better replacement of this phrase would be I would like to be with myself. Like I would like to be with myself for some time. And whenever you find yourself maybe in a friend circle or maybe somewhere else and you want to say no, so no is a very strong word. So instead of saying no, you can add one magical word, and that is no thank you, to sound more polite and diplomatic. And whenever we text to someone or maybe we chat on Instagram or maybe on WhatsApp or maybe somewhere else, so we end up saying to someone when we want that person to call us, so we saying call me. So it doesn't sound good, and it doesn't sound impolite. So instead of saying call me, you can say so, contact me when you're available, or you can say contact me please. So I have add one magical word, and that is please. It comes in a family of polite words. So you can use this phrase, please call me, to sound more polite and diplomatic. And whenever like we do not encourage someone, we say to that person you are not confident. I'm sure you have heard this phrase many times, like one person says to other that you are not confident. So instead, like if I have used over here not in my sentence, so do not use not in your sentence, because not is a very strong word. So its sound doesn't good, and it does not make your speech polite and not make your speech sweet. So instead of saying you were like I said that you were not confident, so instead of saying this phrase, you can say to that person, you can say to the same person, you could try to be more confident. And the add phrase that I would like to use is can I check your pen? So can I check your pen means the can shows mentions one thing, and that is can. Can is used for capabilities, abilities. We use can for this purpose. Over here the phrase means can I check your pen? It means that I have a hand and I can do a motion and I can check your pen because I have this ability and capability of checking that. So can I check your pen? And over here the word check. It has a sense that you were checking something for a very long period of of time. So in the word take can as well be said borrow. The better replacement of that word would be borrow. Borrow when you take something for a short period of time. So instead of saying can I take your pen, you can say so, could I borrow your pen? Borrow, or I have used the word magic word or here is borrow. So borrow, when you borrow something, it means that you are taking something for a short period of time. And the last phrase that we have on the list is I want water. Whenever you find yourself in your home, or maybe you said to your siblings or maybe to your parents that I want water, it's not good to say so. Instead of saying I want water, you can say can I have some water please? Or maybe you find yourself someone else's home, so you can say could I have some water please, to sound more polite and very importantly diplomatic, and most importantly respectful. So this brings me guys to the end of this lesson. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, then please do subscribe to it right now, because it's really helped me to encourage me to work more in this direction. I will be back another day in another vlog. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you.